In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Affinity Designer. Before we start, this walkthrough assumes you already have a document open in Affinity Designer, whether it's a new canvas or an existing project. Changing the background color is a quick way to set the tone of your design, test contrast, or prep assets for export. Begin by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer and loading your file. Give the interface a second to settle so panels finish loading. Affinity's workspace is flexible, so your layout may look slightly different, but by default you'll see the Layers panel along the right side of the screen. That's where we're going to work. If your right panel looks collapsed or you can't see layers, it might be hidden or docked. Expand the panel area or show the Layers Studio so you can access it comfortably. Next, look through the Layers panel for the item that represents your background. In many files, it's literally named background, but it could also be an artboard, a rectangle at the bottom of the stack, or a layer your team set up to sit behind everything else. The key is that it should be underneath your other artwork and span the full canvas. Click to select that background layer so it's highlighted. You'll know it's selected if you see its bounding box on the canvas and its name is active in the Layers panel. If multiple backgrounds exist for different artboards, select the one you want to adjust now. With the background selected, turn your attention to the right side color controls. You'll typically see the color panel and the swatches panel there. Make sure you're editing the fill, not the stroke. The fill controls what color the inside of the shape is, which is what we want for a background. Now choose your color. You can drag the sliders, pick from swatches, enter a hex value, or use the color wheel to fine-tune your hue, saturation, and brightness. If your file uses a specific color profile such as RGB or CMYK, match your choice to that profile for consistent results. As you adjust, watch the canvas update in real time to ensure your text and graphics remain readable. If your background looks dull, try increasing saturation or brightness. If it's overpowering, dial it to back or pick a neutral. That's all there is to it. Repeat the same selection and color choice for any additional backgrounds in multi-artboard documents. When you're happy, continue designing or export as usual. Your background color is now part of the document and will carry through to your outputs.